Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect if you are looking to relax your feet, because it is a really nice foot massager that has some kind of unique features to it. So this was sent over by a company called KNQZE. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's KNQZE. Obviously, it's going to come with a user manual that tells you about it. We're covering the features right here in the video, but this is it right here next to me. So first off, it doesn't take up a lot of room. Give you an idea, it is about 16 and basically a quarter inches in depth. It's about 13 and a quarter inches in width, and it's about 8 or 10 inches in height. As you can see, it does have a nice little kickstand here, which I absolutely love because it basically makes it really comfortable when you're sitting in a chair or a couch. It tilts it up 9 degrees. If you don't want that, simply fold down the kickstand and then it'll lay flat. So depending on how you have this set up, if you're sitting at a desk, you may have it flat, but if you're sitting there relaxing on the couch, then you may want the kickstand up itself. Now it does plug into just a standard wallet, so you do need to be somewhere near a power source, but other than that, it works great. It does have plenty of little lead cables, so that way you don't have to be right up against the outlet itself. Now it does come with a remote control, so you can either control it, everything right here on the device, or you can simply control everything here on the remote if you don't want to bend down. When you're not utilizing the remote, there is a slot right in the middle that you can go ahead and push this remote in, and it'll keep it nice and organized so you don't lose it. Now you'll notice, obviously, you got your spot for your feet, and those do have zippers on it. So if you do want to remove these and wash them, you can do that as well. So it's very easy to change these out and keep them nice and clean. Now, as far as size, these are designed for up to shoe size 14. Now, obviously, when you put your feet in here, you're gonna wanna try to center your foot in the middle. And the reason that is because this has an arch height support. Absolutely love this feature. So it's gonna have 3 different arch heights. And essentially what that's doing is there's a little lifting part in the middle. And so it's pushing up right in your arch, and it feels really, really good. So that's gonna be their first button right here. Go ahead, next to the power button, then you have your arch lift, and you have basically your lowest, your medium, and your highest. Or off itself. This thing is fully customizable. Then next to that, you're gonna have your kneading options. Once again, you're gonna have a low, medium, and high kneading, or you can have your kneading off. Then next to that, you're gonna have your air compression. That is the squeezing. And so where the air compression is going to squeeze, it's gonna squeeze your instep, it's gonna squeeze at your ankle, it's gonna squeeze at your heel and at the sole of your feet. So it's targeting several zones, and you're gonna have 5 different pressure settings there. Absolutely great. Like I said though, if you don't like the compression, you can turn that off. If you like compression, no kneading, you can turn off the kneading. Very, very unique, customizable combinations. Then you're gonna have your heating option. You're gonna have 3 heating temperature settings. On the low end, you're looking at around a 104. On the high end, you're looking at about 131 degrees. So it is absolutely great in the wintertime. I typically will have the heat option turned off in the summertime, just because I don't want my feet to get all sweaty. But once again, these do come out, so it's easy to clean. And then finally, at the very end, you're gonna have your timer option. You can run this for basically 15 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes, depending on how long you wanna dedicate it. I always like to go ahead and utilize that 30 minutes because like I said, it feels really, really good as far as utilizing it. But overall, like I said, it's a very simple, nice foot massager, gets the job done. It's a great way to relax, especially if you've been on your feet all day, kick back, watch a movie. You can hear it's been running next to me the whole time. It is very quiet. So if you are watching a movie or reading or something like that, it's not gonna bother everybody else in the room. It's a very quiet operation. So overall, if you are in the market and you're looking for a great foot massager, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.